So you build websites, right?
Yes.
Can I make a recommendation to
Yes.
tell your clients?
Yes.
You should tell your clients this, that your website is an employee that you pay about 5 cents an hour, and they work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And what's the rate of the employee? 5 cents an hour. That's a cheap employee. And you pay them, you invest in them, in that employee, you invest in this thing that makes you more money. So if that, and they have one job, is to convert a website visitor into a scheduled client. Now, what if that employee that you're paying 5 cents an hour, geez, that's pretty cheap, they make $300 today? Because today you get on your phone notification, boop, I have a scheduled inspection. It's $300. Actually, we should be charging $1,000. That's $1,000. You paid them $1 to make $1,000. That is an asset that is working for you. You're not doing that work. That's an asset or a resource that's working for you, making money. You invest very low, $1, and you make $1,000 income. That is a path to great success and wealth. That is a foundation to understanding what wealthy people do. They have things in place that they don't work at it to make them money. They have something else making them money. They invested in something that's making them an overwhelming amount of money in order to support their lifestyle. I think that is a great tip for all of your website clients to understand, that it's a cheap employee that makes you a huge return on their investment.